Come back to this channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to use Proton Mail Calendar, which is your life and is private by design. If you're tired of your calendar knowing more about you than your friends, then meet Proton Calendar, the private alternative that puts you back in control of your schedule. Proton Calendar is an encrypted calendar from the makers of Proton Mail. Unlike other calendars that can scan your events for data, everything in Proton Calendar, your event titles, description, and attendees is end-to-end encrypted. This means no one can see your details but you, not even Proton. Now, how do you use it? Let's start with the basics. First, you need access. If you have a Proton Mail account, you already have access. Just open your dashboard on the web or in the app and click the calendar icon. Let me show you. So, tap on your email address and you can see Proton Calendar. Tap on it. If you are using it for the first time, you see this message. So start using Proton Calendar. And that's it. You're in. So you can create an event, add the details, title, time, location, and the moment you save it, your event is automatically encrypted and secured. Your schedule remains your business. Let's say I want to add an event. Let's say tap on the plus icon. The title is money. Then you choose a time, set the time, the day, the time. And then once you're done, you can use all day reminder, your calendar. If you want to add some color to your day, you use color coded events. You have to use the paid plan. Then you add the participants, add the location. You can even add a Zoom meeting with a paid plan too. Notifications, how many days before, set everything in the email, and once you're through, add description. Once you're through everything, you tap on save. Saving events. Money has been saved at the top. It's as simple as that. So for appointments, meetings, or personal reminders, you can use Proton Calendar. It is the effortless way to ensure your daily plans are for your eyes only. Plan in peace. Your plan, your privacy. See you in the next video.